Hey folks, what's up? Today I will walk through on TRX.VN, a platform for TRX investment. So this is the platform, guys. So I will show you how to recharge from Binance or UB wallet to this TRX.VN and TRX wallet. So this is the TRX.VN. So first I will show you how to recharge from Binance to this account. So let's get started. And before I show you, when you register it for the first time, you will get 5000 TRX as a bonus. So you can see I have registered this account and I have get 5000 TRX on the registration. Isn't it awesome, guys? Okay, now we will go to my Binance account and deposit some TRX to this account. So this is my Binance account and you can see that TRON TRX, I have 20 TRX available. So I will withdraw this TRX to this account. So how we do it, we have to go to this deposit and then you have to select from these two accounts to your one of the account you want to deposit. So right now I am choosing transfer to basic account and this is my address, wallet address. So I will just copy it and go to my Binance, enter that address. Here it is automatically corresponding to the available network. So after that I will just transfer 20 TRX to this account and just withdraw. And then I have to confirm. Then I have to click continue. And after that I have to match my verification code. So I have to paste it on the withdrawal. And then submit. So withdrawal request completed successfully. Let's check. It is currently in processing state, so we have to wait for some time. So guys, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes after recharging, so we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then we can continue. So we have waited enough now. Let's check. So once we check on Binance, it will say like it is completed. Yeah, it is showing right now. And our TRX total balance account has been updated. So that's great. So after recharging, the platform will directly calculate the income that can be withdrawn on the day. For example, 1000 TRX will generate 50 TRX on same day. And one more thing, the minimum deposit amount is 5 TRX to activate the account to withdraw. Okay guys, after activating the account you can get 7% of the mining income and maximum withdrawal of 10% every day. So that's the info guys. The daily mining income will be distributed on time at 12 AM Singapore time. You can log into platform account and click trading to claim. Okay. Now I will check out the announcement on the home page and explain the recharge income ratio. Okay. So this is a notification. We will go here. So what is the recharge income ratio? 5% recharge for 5 to 30,000 TRX you will get. 6% recharge for 30,000 to 200k TRX you can get. And 13% of the recharge amount of members who come in through the new user referral link will be directly given to your promotional wallet. And you can withdraw directly. Okay guys. So we will just go back. And this is the promotion wallet. So currently there is no promotion from my side, so it is currently 0. And this is the wallet account. This is your main account, balance account. You can see it's updated right now. So before I show you, I have just gone through this trading, and here you can see I got 400 TRX each day on 24-hour settlement. So I have clicked on this received earlier, and that's why when you check my balance, now it is as you can see, it is increased from 5000 TRX to 2400 TRX more. So you will get 400 TRX each day. Okay, so after that I will show you how to withdraw funds from your TRC.VN and TRX wallet to your Binance account. So you have to click on withdrawal, basic account, your quota, and you have to go to your Binance, click on deposit, select the coin TRX TRON, select network TRC 2020, copy the address, and after that enter your security password. Click on confirm. Okay, the amount of withdrawal exceeds the limit, so we can only claim 0.95 TRX right now. So for the sake of example, I will just show you how this works. Submit success. You can see our 0.95 TRX has been deducted from the account. And now we will go to our Binance account and go back. Refresh. So we have to wait for some time. So now let's check one more time. So you can see we have got our 0.95 TRX, and we can just go to our history. You can see that has been completed. Our transaction has been completed, and this is our destination ID. So it has been completed successfully. You can see here it is completely, right now it is completed. So that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I assume that you will also want to trade in this amazing TRX.VN wallet. You can join from the registration link that I have given in this video. You can find it from the link in the description. Thank you guys. Bye bye.